can go to bed if you want.
Well, Benny's gonna be hanging.
Okay. Oh, is Benny out here?
I think
he's in with Brandon.
Oh.
Like teach these kids how to play rummy. That's a pretty easy game to play.
Rummy?
Rummy. My kids know how to play that. And what sucks is that they beat me at it.
Look, I can see blue in the middle. Right.
Blue means it's hot, huh?
Yeah.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
I'm in the middle. Wait. Full bucket of water tonight.
Alright.
Oh, don't worry, I filled it. I got it.
I got the 2 tubes on there. I got
All those partial bottles of water that were sitting around, we recycled and put into your buckets.
At least, yeah, I'm thinking, oh, I'm kind of thirsty. But then again, I don't want to get up in the middle of the night and pee. That's the, when I'm all nice and toasty, that's the last thing. Like, oh.
Everybody should go to the bathroom before you get into bed.
Yeah.
Even if you don't think you have to.
I would.
Yes.
Just
I agree with that.
Again.
Just go at the last second. Another cold. You guys weren't that cold in there? Or?
I don't even like getting out of my bed in the middle of the
You're
night.
gonna be cold. It's because you don't have any.
Uh-huh. I went all the way down at the bottom because I like to be that far because when the bears come up from the top of the mountains, they have to go through you guys.
And then they're not hungry enough to eat you.
Right.
I see what's going on.
Your screaming is my alarm clock, and
right.
I can go for help.
Yes, I am good at going for help.
Ooh, Mark got poker face on.
Mark's helping me.
Yeah.
It's kind of a high. Good thing the wind's not really picking up.
Oh, I know, huh? It's like that log down below is not getting enough, burning enough.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot now.
You'd have to flip it back.
Oh, flip it, okay.
I know, but if you even touch that one, they'll all topple over. So.
Yeah.
That one that's just up there at the top is enjoy.
It's a torch.
Yep. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Preston, why don't you grab that log and start running around with it? And say, I'm in the Olympics.
Well, I don't have anything to light up or light